In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in a Figma mockup. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First things first, we need to access your Figma files. If you have Figma open, just navigate to your project and find the file where you want to add your image. This is the foundation of your mockup, so make sure it's exactly set up the way you want. Now that you're in your Figma file, the first step to add an image is super easy. All you need to do is drag and drop the image directly into your Figma workspace. Grab the image from your folder on your computer, and with your mouse, simply drag it over to your Figma window. When you release it, the image will automatically appear in your mockup. This method works perfectly for adding images quickly without any extra steps. If dragging and dropping doesn't appeal to you, let's explore another way to do it. Click on the Figma logo located up top in your Figma interface. This action will bring up a menu where you'll see the option labeled Place Image. You can either click on that or use a handy shortcut instead. Just press Ctrl-Shift-K on your keyboard, whether you are on Windows or Mac, and this will open up your desktop files. Once the desktop files window pops up, navigate to the image you want to add to your mockup. When you find the correct image, click on it to select it and then hit the Open button. After you do this, move your mouse back into the Figma frame. You will click anywhere you want the image to be placed. Voila! Your image is now in the mockup and you can adjust it as needed. After you have your image in place, you might want to resize or reposition it to fit your design better. Don't worry, this is very straightforward. To resize your image, click on it, and small handles will appear around the corners. You can click and drag these handles to make your image larger or smaller. If you want to maintain the image's proportions as you resize, hold down the Shift key while you drag. If you need to move your image around, simply click on it and drag it wherever you need it. Figma also allows you to fine-tune the alignment. You can use the alignment tools available in the top bar to make sure your image is perfectly positioned in relation to other elements in your mockup. And there you have it. Adding images in Figma is a simple process that can drastically enhance the visual impact of your designs. Remember, whether you choose to drag and drop or use the Place Image menu, you have the flexibility to bring in any image you need. So that's how you add an image in a Figma mockup. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. I'm excited to see the creative mockups you'll come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.